Good evening, guys. Good day, guys. My name is Frederick Kingsley. As you can know, the class is starting today. So I will be doing a quick explanation about this app, Pixellab, which is the app that we will be using. So the app is very easy and simple in navigation and some stuff. So the first thing, let me start with fonts. As you can see here, if you want to add, for example, a text, you click on it. You type in anything you want. Let me see. Type in anything you want. Okay. As you can see here, you can increase the size to any size you want here. So this one here now that I just click is kind of alignment. You click on it, it can center it, leaving it on the middle there. And you can also give it a color. Choose any color you want. As you can see, with time you get used to it and know more about it again. Know more about some features. So admin, we have a background because this is just the background. Once you download your Pixellab, you just find it there. So there's no any other background or anything that I just added to that place there. So here, all this one, they are positioned to. You can move it to any side you want, to align it to anyhow you want. You understand? So here is texture. If maybe kind of you want to import any texture or any color that you want that is not here, once you click the texture, you can import it. That's after downloading it. Opacity, you can see, you can reduce the opacity here to any size you want depending on what you are designing and how you want it. So for this masking, I'll still talk more about it. Masking, if you want to mask some parts of your design or some parts of your writings or part of any shape, you can use masking to mask it out. You get to know more about masking with time. So as you can see, fonts, these are the fonts that come with the Pixellab, but as a designer you will need more fonts. You need downloading more fonts and other things. I'll still talk about it with time. I'll still talk about them. So as you can see, you can change any font you want. Here you can change any font. If maybe you have downloaded some font, you can still change it. That's after importing it with your Z archiver. So you can change it to any how you want. You can give it a curve, just going through and knowing some of the elements it's have there. Then this is alignments. I believe most of you may know about alignment. Maybe aligning it's everything to be centered or anyhow you want it there. This one is line space. That's after the space it gives, maybe after typing. After, okay, let me add more typing. Let me see. Fred King class. You understand, right? So sorry. Let me add more text. Let me see. Fred King. Fred King. Okay, Frederick graphics. So this, let me say this Frederick graphics. As you can see here. Then where are we? This line space now is depending how do you want it. The space it give each, like the space in between each word and other stuff. So this one here now is the spacing between the upper and the word at the up and the ones at the down there. You understand? So this one is shadow. If maybe you want to give it a shadow, as you can see here, you can choose any color. You can go around and play with this stuff to understand it more. So this one is inner color. Giving it an inner color, you can choose any color you want. And this is emboss. This emboss, I'll still talk about it more in the group because there is the way you arrange it. Sorry. You understand? You can resize it, resizing it so that as you can see it's here to give you the shape you want. So this one is stroke. I believe most of you know stroke. Adding stroke to a design, that's at the side of the design you can choose the length of the stroke anyhow you just want it to be. Then we have this one. They are just depending on how you want it. How do you want your design to look fancy, look good, all those stuff. So even this one, the shadow that's at the down. When you keep it, as you can see, something like of this nature. So now let's go to it.